Starting in a tabletop, shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Press into your palms, inhale, head, neck, and chest lift. Exhale, tuck your chin in, round your back, drop your tailbone down. Cat-cow, head, neck, and chest lift. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, lift up, shine your heart. Exhale, tuck your chin into your chest, round your shoulders, drop your tailbone down. Lift your shins, lift your feet, take them off the right side of your mat, and look over your right shoulder. Inhale, come back to center. Feet and shins lift off the left side of your mat as you turn to look over your left shoulder. Inhale, back to center. Lift your right knee out to the side. Take that knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise, working into your right hip. Stretch the leg long back behind you. Draw your knee into your chest. Extend the leg long. Tighten up your core. Knee lifts to your chest. Exhale, extend long. Crunch in, reach long. This time keeping the knee bent, lift your foot up high towards the ceiling, and then step that foot forward in between your hands for a low lunge. Arms reach towards the ceiling. Palms come together to connect, and send the right shin back, and step forward. So moving from your low lunge to standing on your shins, back to low lunge, and stand on your shins. Lower your hands back down to the mat for your tabletop, and we'll do all that on the left side. Left knee reaches out to the side. Take that knee in circles, clockwise, counterclockwise. Just starting to loosen up the hip. And reach the left leg long back behind you. Tuck your toes to start and lift the leg in line with your hip. Bend your knee, draw it into your chest. Reach the leg long. Draw your knee in, tighten up your belly, tighten up your core. Extend long. Draw the knee in for your last crunch. Reach the leg long. Bend your knee to lift your heel, squeezing through your glutes. And sweep that foot forward to step in between your hands. Lifting up to a lunge on your left side, both arms reach. Bring your palms together and bring them down to your hips. And send your left shin back to your kneeling. And then step the foot forward back to lunge. This requires balance and stability in the hips to bring the shin back and then step the foot forward to your lunge. Palms come back down to the mat for your tabletop and lower down onto your belly. Bend your right knee out to the side and then squeeze your left heel in towards your glutes. Right leg is going to hang out while you take some movement in the left leg. Circle out your left ankle. Lift and lower your left foot down to the mat, bending your left knee. Allow your foot to fall left and right, side to side. Find some stillness as you straighten both legs long back behind you. We'll do all that on the left side. So your left knee is going to bend out to the side as your right heel squeezes into your glutes. Point and flex your right toes. Take that ankle in circles, clockwise and counterclockwise. Lift and lower your foot, working into your knee joint. Adding in any movement that feels good for your foot, your ankle, your knee. Gently allow your foot and your shin to rock left and right, side to side. Extend both legs long back behind you and rest your head down onto the back of your palms. It's the end of our class for today. Namaste.